What is Turkish Epimidium honey?
A botanical formula of pure Turkish honey. Its the main ingredient is the extract of Turkish Epimidium horny goatweed, which has been used for thousands of years as a natural aphrodisiac in ancient Asia.
Turkish Epimidium honey benefits. Best medicine for joint pains, migraine, tension and depression, cholesterol, stomach problems, blood pressure, kidney problems, liver problems, heart problems, male and female infertility, obesity, and all health problems. Now available in Pakistan by Original Epimidium Honey, our stores with free home delivery.